Oh my goodness. Where is she at? Where can she be? You know what I'm talking about right now? I'm talking about accountability partner. Oh my goodness. Any type of business you have, it's so important to have an accountability partner to help you keep you track and help you in terms of moving forward in your business. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Today we're going to talk about the power of having an accountability partner inside your business. If you just started your business or if you have an existing business, having a partner definitely will help you. If it's your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, as you know, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's time to talk about the power of having an accountability partner if you're brand new or if you experienced business owner. Now, when I first got started, I didn't have an accountability partner. You know, I just started and I was just going inside the business, but I didn't necessarily have anyone to keep me accountable. So what happened was I would do work on Monday, and then Tuesday I would take it off, and then I'd do work on Wednesday, then I'll take Thursday and Friday off. So, and the thing is that I wasn't consistent with it, and I felt like I was alone. I wasn't consistent with it, and I felt like I was completely alone. You know how it is. If you're just, let's say you just started a YouTube channel right now. If you just start a YouTube channel right now, the biggest thing you're going to need is going to be some type of support. It could be an accountability partner from your neighbor. It could be somebody in your niche. It's really good to have somebody in your niche. Somebody who's doing exactly what you're doing or doing something similar that you're doing. Because I'm telling you, it's going to be just like me earlier. Where is she at? Where is he at? You know, and reason why I'm saying that is because you kind of depend on a little bit of that support, even though it's your business. But having that support mechanism really does help because it keeps you on track, especially when you're first starting out. So I highly recommend, if you don't have an accountability partner in your affiliate marketing business, your network marketing business, any type of internet marketing business, or any type of business anyway, any type of business, have some type of accountability partner to keep you on track, or somebody to talk to. And especially if they're in your niche or in your field, you guys can talk about ideas, you can talk about video ideas, you can talk about, business strategies ideas, because let's say you just start a YouTube channel like I was talking about earlier, the biggest thing, you need support. You need to have a mentor and a coach. Definitely a mentor and a coach, but if you don't even have a mentor and a coach, at least have somebody can really help you when those days are not good. Because when those days are black, you're going to want to quit. I'm telling you, I've been there. Like, I don't want to do this YouTube video today. I'm tired. But then that accountability partner is going to text you. They're going to email you. He or she is going to call you. Or they may even come by. And they may come by pretty pissed off. Where's your video at? And then some of the good accountability partners, they'll call you out. All right, now, where's your video at? All right, now, where's your email? I don't see no emails coming from your business today. What's going on? What do you think this is? You're trying to build a business. You're trying to fire your boss. You're trying to live a life of legacy and freedom and going to the beach and vacationing and teaching other people how to do it. So what's going on? Exactly. So accountability partner sometimes it's not always your best friend. It's a person that's going to really be there for you, and they're going to call you out on your stuff. I'm telling you, because I got one, and she will call me out on it too. I'm telling you. She would definitely call. I got two of them. I got a girl and a guy. I have two accountability partners. I have a female and I have a male. And they both will call me out. Like, where's your work? What you doing? So I've got to the point now, I've gotten so used to like doing it that I actually do it before they even call me out. So I'm like, hey, so what are you doing? So get yourself an accountability partner. If you haven't already, get one. If you have an existing one, be sure to make sure that is still there. Make sure that the communication is still there. Making sure you guys are on the same page. Or you don't have to be on the same page. You just got to keep each other accountable. So if you need an accountability partner, go ahead and do that today in your business. And if you don't even have a business, and if you're looking to grow a business, if you have one, click on the link below this video right now, because I do have an unbelievable opportunity for you can go ahead and start your own business. Even if you have an existing business, this movement lifetime opportunity is unbelievable right now. The training is awesome. The community is fantastic. And yes, you can make money from this opportunity as well. Results are not typical, but yes, you follow the training steps, you can make some money, and you'll have an opportunity to build that lifestyle that you always want. And trust me, there's a lot of accountability partners inside this community. There's a lot of partners, there's a lot of members in here that you can really come in there. If you don't have an accountability partner, you should have no problem finding somebody in there, because I'm telling you, there's some people in there that needs an accountability partner as well. So, and I could be your accountability partner in the beginning, and then you can venture off and find another one, you know, things like that. So let me be your partner. Let me be your partner right now. Partner in crime, right? Well, not really crime, but it's positive things. So click on the link below to get started with your own business, and don't forget to get yourself an accountability partner, because it's going to help you every single day. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I love doing videos. I can't wait to see you tomorrow, but go ahead and click on that link below this video, and I'll see you on the inside.